Hello, welcome back to my channel and to my series which are related to the cat of the week FastAPI application. In this video I will finish the series. I will show how to deploy the application to Google Cloud App Engine. So let me open the Google Cloud. So here you will find App Engine. You will have to create the instance. I already created the instance, but I will show how easily to manage everything. So first you have to prepare to write few commands. Okay, maybe I will show for other instance. Okay, so here you will see create application, and here you will choose any region which you want. I will choose Germany. Okay. We have to wait to create the application, and until we are waiting, you have to install Google Cloud CLI. I think in internet it will be easier to find more information. So I will not deep dive in details of how we can install this, how we will implement the deployment files. I will just provide them. So definitely in future I will make separate video how we can manage Google Cloud services. Okay, some error occurred, maybe because I don't have enabled payment. This is free tier project, so I will return here. So you can see we have to download the Cloud SDK. There is a link. You can, I am on Mac, so I installed this Google Cloud SDK with and CLI with Homebrew. And first we have to initialize the SDK. So I already wrote Google Cloud in it, so I will not hit it. I will clear this, and we have to provide few files. So first just copy this file. I will provide the GitHub repository for the final project. Copy this. I will leave it like this. Copy, maybe I will just write and .venv, because I also sometimes create virtual environments named .venv. Okay, you have to add app.yaml, just copy and paste these commands, and I think, and the requirements.txt. You can just copy this. Okay, and the next step is to write the Google Cloud App Deploy. But actually, not only the Google Cloud App Deploy, you have to provide the bucket. So I've provided the bucket name, since I have a few buckets here in this project. If I open buckets, cloud storage, I have a lot of buckets, and I have few service accounts. Maybe you have also a lot of service accounts. So I found the service account which I created for this project. Okay, so I will just click enter, and everything should be okay. Okay, so until we are waiting for the deployment of the new instance, I want just to show you the App Engine interface. So when you have already deployed application, here is my already deployed application. I will reload, so you can see the route point is not found. This is from the FastAPI. Okay, so here you can see how many requests. So at the beginning I had 500 until I write the correct settings. You can see I pinged a few points. You can see requests, and you can see the average latency. In future this will be helpful since I want to make more advanced videos. Okay, let me check services. So I have one default service. If you remember, here we deploy to target service, which is default. I will open it. Okay, you can see, and here we can see the logs, but let me first check. I have a few versions and instances. For now I just create one instance. In future I will show how to create more instances, and here we can examine the logs. Okay, so you can see the post request, get request. You can see from Safari, which I just made. Okay, you can see the instances. I have one instance. Task queries, we don't have task queries. Cron jobs, in future maybe I will move these jobs in cron jobs. Maybe yes, maybe not, we will see. And some other things which are not related to our work right now. So we can see we have a message that deployed service default to the link, and we can just write Google Cloud App Browse, and we can browse the application. Of course, this is an REST API application. We have just to interact with it with Postman or with other graphic user interface application. Let me now try to register some user. Okay, I already have registered this user. Let me change the email. Okay, you can see it's working. Let me post an image, upload image to the deployed version. You can see I copied it and I added the new link. Okay, so let me send, and this application just uses the services which we deployed earlier. And with this video I will end this series. I will provide, by the way, the GitHub repo again in the description of the all videos. I will change the description one by one, and I will provide the final version, which is this. And in future I will just fork, because I want, as I mentioned, to make more advanced topics which we will cover related to this application. I also have a plan to write two more kinds of this application. For example, I want to deploy it in Azure with Azure services, and one interesting also how to say deployment. I will try to I will deploy this application on my own computer, and I will deploy it from my home. I think it will be also interesting. We will need just to change here the services. The whole structure, the main structure will be the same. Okay, so thank you for the attention, and see you in the next series. Bye.